Hi everyone, this is Anamika Singh Rawat and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing well. So in today's video, we are going to discuss a great work from home opportunity. And I know a lot of you, हमें से ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो work from home jobs ढूंढ रहे हैं, and definitely there's nothing wrong with that because we all love working from the comfort of our home. But generally what happens is जब भी हम remote jobs या फिर work from home jobs ढूंढते हैं तो हमें usually कैसी jobs मिलती है? Data analyst, data science, digital marketing, social media manager, you can say graphic designer, video creator, वीडियो एडिटिंग. तो ये सब स्किल्स आना जरूरी है मोस्ट ऑफ दी वर्क फ्रॉम होम जॉब्स के लिए. बट व्हाट इफ आई टेल यू दैट इन टुडेज वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस एन अपॉर्चुनिटी, अ वर्क फ्रॉम होम अपॉर्चुनिटी, राइट, इन विच यू डोंट नीड एनी ऑफ दीज स्किल्स, राइट. अगर आपको पढ़ाना आता है सो definitely you can apply for this. So if you're interested to know more about this, make sure you watch this video till the end. So I'm going to show you all the entire registration process of the platform that we're going to discuss in this video. So be with me till the end and let me tell you कि जब भी हम इस platform पे register करेंगे, so what will be the perks? First perk will be you can decide how much you want to charge for the tuitions that you're taking. Now here you also get the flexibility to work from home, okay, or to go to the students' place and teach them, or to call the students at your place. So you have three different options. काफी flexible है. आप online tuitions भी ले सकते हैं, आप students के घर पे जाके tuitions ले सकते हैं, या फिर आप स्टूडेंट्स को अपने घर बुलाकर या जो भी आपकी प्लेस है, योर ऑफिस और whatever it is, there you can call your students and you can take tuitions on whatever topic you have. Now let me tell you about the topics and subjects. So n number of subjects are available over here. You have the freedom to choose whichever language you want. आप हिंदी में पढ़ा सकते हैं, इंग्लिश में पढ़ा सकते हैं, बंगाली में पढ़ा सकते हैं, मराठी में पढ़ा सकते हैं. There is no such restriction with the language, right? तो ये सब बेसिकली आपको काफी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी मिल रही है. आप अपने हिसाब से टीचिंग आवर्स और ट्यूशन के आवर्स डिसाइड कर सकते हैं कि कितने आवर्स आपको पढ़ाना है, कब से आपको स्टार्ट करना है. All of this will be there. So we are actually talking about the platform called as My Private Tutor. तो इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे आपको रजिस्टर करना पड़ेगा, प्रोफाइल बनानी पड़ेगी, and this platform basically connects or forms a bridge between the tutors or the trainers and the students. You will have to make a profile as a tutor over here, and now let me take you to the entire registration process, which is quite simple and seamless. So let me show you how you can actually sign up for this. जैसे ही आप इसमें क्लिक करेंगे आपको कुछ ऐसा इंटरफेस दिखेगा, which I think you can see on your screen, right? So you will have to enter your email address. After entering your email address, click on enter code. फिर वो basically एक 6 डिजिट का कोड आपके ईमेल एड्रेस पे आपको रिसीव होगा. आफ्टर दैट वंस यू एंटर द कोड इट विल बी शोइंग एज वेरीफाइड, एंड देन यू विल हैव टू एंटर योर फर्स्ट नेम, लास्ट नेम, पासवर्ड, जेंडर, year of birth and everything. ये सब आपको करने के बाद you will have to tick the check box that I agree to the terms and conditions. You can read them as well, and then you will click on sign up and continue. After you click on sign up and continue, आपके सामने एक ऐसा इंटरफेस आएगा where you will have to type the subject that you want to teach. So for example, if I'm selecting biology, so here when I type it, I can see that biological science is given over here. I will click on it and then I will click next. Now, जब हम नेक्स्ट क्लिक करेंगे उसके बाद हमें स्किल्स यहाँ पे दिखेंगी. सो दीज स्किल्स आर बेसिकली बेस्ड ऑन कि बायोलॉजी में हम कौन से पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक्स पढ़ाने में इंटरेस्टेड हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई एम सेलेक्टिंग बायोलॉजी, सो हियर आई कैन सी skills like anatomy, biological anthropology, biology, biotechnology, botany, cell biology, genetics, glycobiology, hydrobiology, etc. ठीक है, इतने सारे हमें टॉपिक्स दिख रहे हैं. नाउ वी कैन सेलेक्ट मैक्सिमम 5 ऑफ दीज. आफ्टर सेलेक्टिंग 5 स्किल्स यू विल क्लिक ऑन नेक्स्ट. नेक्स्ट पे क्लिक करने के बाद आपके सामने ऐसा इंटरफेस आएगा जिसमें आपको सेलेक्ट करना है दैट विच grades would you like to teach. So class 6, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, something like that, you can definitely select. And here you do not have any restriction कि आपको 5 classes ही select करनी है या 6 classes ही करनी है. You can select all of these. यानी कि यहाँ पे first year, second year, third year, fourth year options are also available. So you can teach college students as well. So you can click on that, and after selecting this, just click on next. Next click करने के बाद you will have to tell your preferred class type, like which type of classes would you like to take. Will you prefer private lessons or will you prefer group class? So that you will have to select and then move forward with that. Click on next. और next पे click करने के बाद you will have to select your address. आपको यहाँ पे अपना address देना पड़ेगा. You will have to choose the city that you're teaching in or want to teach in. For example, I'm typing Delhi over here. You will have to type proper street address. फिर आपको preferred place of teaching select करना है. For example, preferred place of teaching could be at your home, it could be at students' home, or it could be online. So I am someone who will prefer online classes. अगर आप भी online sessions या online tuition लेना prefer करेंगे तो आप online पे click कर सकते हैं. You can select more than that also. Next आप ये preferred place of teaching select कर लेंगे, then they will ask you for your tuition rate, यानी per hour how much you are going to charge to take tuitions of that particular subject. When you will click on next, then again you will have to tell your local hourly rate in Delhi. Here you can also see a section where you can enter your discounted rates and everything. That is totally optional, it's not mandatory. Then I offer first lesson for free and additional conditions for your rate. आप कुछ भी extra आप यहाँ पे basically mention करना चाहते हैं, so there's a dialog box given over here, you can write it over there. And after clicking on next, आपको यहाँ पे एक headline type करने का option आएगा. So basically we are creating a profile. तो हमें profile में एक ऐसी headline डालनी है which is very catchy and will attract the you can say the attention of the students or the parents who are looking for like a tutor for their student. So we will have to write something like that. यहाँ पे कुछ instructions भी दिए हैं जो हम headline में use कर सकते हैं. After writing your headline, you can definitely click on next. और next पे click करने के बाद introduce yourself to prospective students. So you can add your bio here. Now bio में थोड़ा और आप detail में अपने बारे में बता सकते हैं, अपनी qualifications के बारे में बता सकते हैं. What will be your method or way of teaching, that all you can mention over here. After this, talk about your teaching methodology. यहाँ पे आप अपनी teaching methodology काफी detail में explain कर सकते हैं. Again, the instructions are given over here. You can take inspiration from that and try to create something around it. And after that, your educational experience will be written over here. आप अपने college में आपने bachelor's किया है, master's किया है, all of that you're going to put your country, your graduation year. After doing all of that, you can click on next. After clicking on next, you will see an option of uploading a resume. Now here you can upload your resume, जिसमें आपकी सारी वर्क एक्सपीरियंस की डिटेल्स वगैरह होंगे, आपकी स्किल्स के बारे में होगा. दैट यू कैन अपलोड. एंड आफ्टर दैट यू कैन ऑल्सो अपलोड योर इंट्रो वीडियो. तो आपकी जो भी इंट्रो वीडियो है, अ डेमो वीडियो, यू कैन से दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन अपलोड, या इंट्रो वीडियो भी अपलोड कर सकते हैं जिसमें सेम आप अपने बारे में बताएंगे. विल टेल अबाउट योर क्वालिफिकेशन, योर मेथोडोलॉजी, हाउ your way of teaching can actually benefit the student. So all of that you can do. Now let me tell you that this is not mandatory. This is completely optional. Resume and uploading your intro video, both of these are completely optional. Then you will have to upload your profile picture. That is also optional. It's not mandatory. So there are a total of around 13 steps. उसके बाद आपको अपना नंबर एंटर करना होगा, योर मोबाइल नंबर. आफ्टर यू एंटर योर नंबर ओवर हियर, क्लिक ऑन सेंड कोड. दे विल सेंड एन OTP to your number and then just type that same OTP here on the website and then your registration process will be completed. So that was all about today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like the content that I'm sharing, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so you never miss updates, and do let me know in the comments which type of job roles would you like to see next on my channel. And also help me with this question that I have a lot of times while I'm making videos. Should I make video in Hindi or English, or I should use both the languages? Do let me know about the same in the comment box. So that was about it. Bye bye everyone. Take care.